my.
Well, shit.
What did you do, honey?
I opened it all, trying to find all the wires. And the only thing I can figure on this, they got a wire that must come down and hook in there, and these must just daisy chain down the wall. Because there's no wires up there for that side. For anything. That wire comes up somewhere and then goes over to there, but there's nothing there now. I don't know where these things are getting its power. He says over there, oh, that don't work. You know, over.
Where are you sleeping for the rest of the weekend?
Well, of course, look at how he did his soffits. They're wide open.
Here, you mean?
Yeah.
Going out this way?
Yeah. All he did is took styrofoam and stuck up there to block them off. And of course,
actually, I'm going to climb up this ladder and get a better shot of this up here.
What the hell? And this is all. Oh. Let's see what's going on there.
Hold that up there. There in the soffit. You can see the.
But what he did, look. Those are deck posts there.
Those are deck. Well, this was the deck. Remember?
And what he did, he just framed in between them.
In between the deck posts.
Yes. We'll never be able to sell anything.
We'll have to die here.
There's a wire that goes right to that light.
Yeah.
The wire's there. And of course this is...
And what's that? What's that you're pushing on?
What's this?
Yeah.
It's styrofoam.
Oh, okay.
And
A skinny little piece of styrofoam. You think my honey gets a little impatient with that kind of stuff?
What? What are you doing?
Well...
Oh God, now what?
Johnny said my quarter was too shiny.
What?
It's too shiny and maybe I should spend it. And he said maybe I could pay you to apologize to him.
For what?
I'm not sure, but he wants you to apologize to him.
Probably not having it.
Not even for a quarter? A nice shiny new quarter?
That ain't worth nothing.
It's worth 25 cents.
Not
It's $17.50 in the U.S.
How much?
$17.50.
Yeah, and that's Canadian quarter.
I know.
Yeah.
Forget it.
I'm good.
Sorry, Johnny boy, I tried.
Yeah.
In the ongoing saga of the crappy electrical work, we had the guys in and the stuff is fixed now. Oh, Dave's leaving. He does not want to be on tape. He is not in a good mood right now. So we've got the plugs working again, and he does have a plug that's exclusively for his air conditioner out here. But nothing fits in the roof. Nothing is like look at that. Look at that. There's like
I'm tearing it all out.
Dave says he's going to tear it all out. And we're going to get somebody in here to replace it with something, or we're going to replace it with something. This is ridiculous. Like, Over here, look at this. Look at this. He's got this. He's got these two boards, and then he's got this. Whatever the heck that's for. So apparently
it's fucking coming out.
Apparently it's coming out. Yeah, this is Dave's.
This is what I get to live in.
This is Dave's man cave and bedroom and gaming room and everything. So yeah, it's got to be fixed. And we just had it. He just painted it and replaced all the curtains and got blinds on the outside windows and made it nice and cozy and perfect in here for him. And now this. He's got.
I have to do that to hold.
What are these? Are any of these the same space apart?
No.
They're all different. This is what our. Oh, and then look at this giant span over here. Oh my gosh.
What? What do you?
This here.
What do you mean? This?
Well, look at between these two boards, this one here,
well, yeah,
and
it's all
and
that
then
one.
look at these here. There.
I have no idea what the hell he was thinking.
What were they thinking?
Because I got no place to sleep. I got no place to.
Well, I think that we might need to move your bedroom into here for now.
Well, you think you got a munchkin bed? Where are you gonna put the bed? Wait, you back into that skyhook crap, aren't you? You got a skyhook. I'm gonna put my skyhooks up here and it'll hold the bed up. Over the top of all this stuff.
It'll just float.
It'll just float.
It'll just float. Well, we might have to move this stuff. Or is it that the roof might...
We're not gonna fix it until next year?
No, that's not...
Holy crap.
No, I meant for sleeping in there.
It's 90 degrees outside.
Okay, so it's not going to be too
I
cold.
don't imagine it's going to get very cold. We're in the middle of summer. Oh, you might get cold at night.
Well, why are you saying you can't use it then?
Look at this shit.
Well, it's a mess, but everything works. Except the ceiling.
Except the ceiling.
Except the ceiling. Everything works. Well, I'm just asking. I mean, is there is there a reason you couldn't sleep in here? Other than it looking like a construction zone?
All the foam will attack me.
Well, if we pull all the foam out and get rid of it.
Here, he's got trusses up there, regular roof trusses.
Okay.
Then he turned around and put a 2x2 frame, I guess, to hang the ceiling from. But the guy doesn't know how to measure because every span is different.
Every span is different.
So evidently his ruler reads funny.
Dave has decided we're just going to put it together for now, and then someday we'll have to worry about redoing the roof, but for now, he wants to be able to have a room, so
when you measure this one, it says 14 inches. You measure this one, it says 12.
Maybe
somewhere along the line, his ruler got screwed out, or he just cross-eyed.
Maybe he measures like I do.
Maybe he... 12 inches.
It's this big.
Yeah.
It's this big.
Oh, and it's raining.
And now it's raining. Well, it's good. We need rain.
So the only thing I'm going to put the plastic back. I'm just going to do like we did. I had it.
All right.
Before they fixed the electrical.
Okay, and I'm going to go send some messages.
Sorry. Don't put that in there.
You want to say goodnight?
Good night.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
No, I don't.
There we go with the ongoing saga of the electrical work in the Dave Cave.
Wake up and I'm gonna be on a boat.
I'll be right beside you,
No,
baby.
you won't.
Yes, I will.
No.
You cannot get away from me.
I'm gonna be on a boat with no women.
You'll have me and the kittens.